Hey guys, I always get this question about which apps come pre-installed on your Mac when it's brand new. So I'm going to show you that exactly right now. It doesn't matter if it's MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, you get the exact same apps installed on both of them, the exact same thing. So you guys get pre-installed, you guys are going to see them down here below. However, let's just go right into everything so you can see. And you're going to notice, if you go into applications, these are it. Any other apps you're going to have to download yourself. You can download from the App Store or you can download them from website. So there's a lot of apps actually that you need to download from, let's say, Safari versus the App Store because they will not be available there. But right now you guys are taking a look at everything that you guys get inside. So it gives you the basics so you can get started. For example, Pages would be the same thing as Microsoft Office. Here we got numbers like Excel, and then Keynote, which is for presentations. So and then you get Apple TV, which is an app just to like a hub for everything that has to do with video streaming. iMovie, so you guys can get started with video editing. GarageBand, that's for audio. And a few other apps that you guys are going to mess around with, but not that much more. I should highlight podcasts as well. And of course your mail right here, which you guys can set up with whichever emails you guys have, such as Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, anything you guys can import into there all in one. Safari would be your main browser. You guys can download Chrome if you like, if you're used to that. And once again, most of you will be downloading other programs, apps, from Safari and not from the App Store. So the App Store's here. They have quite a bit in there, but not that much. But anyways, that's it. That is all you guys get right here in your Mac as you bought it. And right now you guys can go on and purchase anything from the App Store or go into the website directly and download whichever apps you need. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.